Hello everyone, in this tutorial we will learn how to use lufted boss command in SolidWorks. So let's get started. When we open SolidWorks, this window will open here. So first we'll select here new, select part and click OK. First of all we'll change this IPS to millimeter gram seconds because our values are in millimeter. First of all we'll make some planes, then we'll draw sketch. For that select reference geometry, select plane. Here we'll select front plane as a reference plane. Here we'll put distance 200 mm. Now we need two planes, so we'll increase this number. We want these two planes should be that side of this front plane, so we'll select here flip offset and click OK here. Select here front plane, select sketch. Now we'll draw one circle here. You can select circle from here as well, or else you can use a short key. Hold your right key of mouse and drag your mouse towards right to select circle. Now we'll draw one circle here. Select this circle. Put diameter 80 mm. And here select exit sketch. Then only select this second plane and select sketch. Select normal to. Now we'll draw one square here. So select the small arrow besides of rectangle and here we'll select center rectangle. Click OK here. Again select smart dimension, select this line and put length 290 mm. Again select this line and give length 290 mm. Select here exit sketch. Now select this third plane and select sketch. Select normal to. Again here we'll draw one circle. So select circle. We'll keep this diameter 290 mm and click OK here. Now exit the sketch. Now select this plane 1 and hide it. Again we'll make another plane. So go to the reference geometry, select plane. Now here first reference we'll select this plane 2. Here again we'll select flip offset and here we'll put distance 350 mm. We need only one plane, so we'll keep it 1 and click OK here. Now we'll hide this plane 2. Select this plane 3 and select sketch. Select here normal to. Now we'll draw a rectangle here. So again select this small arrow and select center rectangle. And draw one rectangle here. Click OK. Select smart dimension. Select this line. We'll put length 380 mm. Again select this line. And we'll put length 580 mm. Click OK. Now we'll hide this plane. And here select exit sketch. Now we'll see how to use lofted boss base. So select here lofted boss base. Here in the profile section we'll select this corner. Again select here on the circle. Now select this point on square. And we'll select here on the circle. So this is the lifted part. We can adjust this green point so profile can change. Now you see the geometry is little twisted. we'll do same with this point. Again you can see the geometry is little twisted. We'll change it again. Now select OK here. So this is our lifted part. Now we'll select material for this component. Select appearance. Select here metals. Select any material you want. For now we'll select this steel and drag this polished steel. Drop on the component and select body. Now we applied the material. You can adjust the color as well. So go to the edit appearance. Select any color you want. And here we have to give reference. So we'll select here bodies and click on this component. You can adjust the color from here. And click here OK. So this is the lofted component. So today we will learn how to use lofted command in SolidWorks. Try to make it, and if you have any query, ask in the comment section. If you find this video informative, like this video and subscribe to the channel for upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching the video.